Nathan Hynes from Bishop Falls, Newfoundland. I'm currently teaching at Exploits Valley High here in Grand Falls, Windsor. I came to get involved with Brilliant Labs through the Let's Talk Science project, and Craig Wells, who was my former teacher here, he led me to Brilliant Labs and said that it would be a great opportunity to get some funding and things involved for your school. The Excite Corp here at the town of Grand Falls, Windsor also were seeing Brilliant Labs as a good option. I think exploratory hands-on learning is so important is because students need to actually see it happen for themselves. They spend their days hearing about topics and theories until they actually put the thing in their hands and see it happen, make something themselves. They don't truly understand the concept or what's happening. And it just makes them so much better real-world thinkers and much more ready for what's to come in the future. I think Brilliant Labs has been integral in trying to help students achieve this hands-on learning because they've saw that a lot of schools desperately need some fresh resources, and Brilliant Labs has been really good at providing that funding, but also helping provide the support that teachers need. So a lot of times teachers have an apprehension or a sort of fear of what this is going to be, and Brilliant Labs has been really good at providing easy to follow, guided instructions, and providing people who can be there for support through email or video calls and things like that. I think Brilliant Labs is an innovative community of people, educators mainly, that see the value of hands-on learning and want to put resources in teachers' laps and allow them to explore with their students and do more. A couple of the projects worked on with Brilliant Labs. First one probably would have been our Hacking Health event that we had. That was sort of initiated by, again, our Excite Corp here at the town of Grand Falls, Windsor. And Brilliant Labs came in as a partner and helped provide a lot of the technology and the equipment that made that event happen. It was a really valuable experience for students. They got to see, again, hands-on, real-world things and relate it to, this time, not only just everyday things, but more specifically in medicine or the medical side of things. Since that event, we've been doing sort of yearly events around health innovation or just sort of hackathons in general, where students get together and usually are posed with, say, a challenge for a day, and they have a bunch of resources in front of them, and they basically had to take those resources and make something in a day. So it's sort of like a challenge to see what you can create in a limited amount of time. Any of parents or teachers, administrators, anyone who's thinking of getting involved with Brilliant Labs, I think a lot of times the apprehension is the amount of effort that will be required. And it won't hide the fact that there is effort involved on the teacher side or the person who's getting involved. Their applications are very straightforward, easy to understand, and the people are always there in support. It's not a complicated process to get involved. For my students, and my observation, has really made a lot of students turn a corner in terms of their understanding of technology. A lot of times they would view technology as a computer or as a piece of software, but Brilliant Labs helped us cross that barrier sometimes of funding or resources and put actual resources in students' hands to allow them to tinker and discover new things.